One area of the garden has been quietly asking for attention for a while. Our jasmine was growing faster than its support, reaching further along the fence with nowhere to really climb. So one afternoon I decided to build it a little support. I started by adding a few nails to the fence posts, then stretched twine between them to create a series of horizontal lines. Once those were in place, I added the vertical strings and gradually built a simple grid. Nothing complicated, just twine, a few nails, and a little patience. As the pattern started to take shape, I could finally see where the jasmine would be able to grow. The last step was gently guiding the stems onto their new support and securing them with a few more pieces of twine. Now, all that's left is to wait. In a few months, I hope this fence will disappear behind a wall of green leaves, delicate flowers, and the scent of summer evenings. Sometimes the smallest jobs in the garden become the ones that shape it the most.